You already knew Ditch Witch could move the earth. Now we can hold it too. With the Ditch Witch Silt Fence Installer, we simply did what we do best. Take an incredible amount of power, performance, and speed, and put it in a compact package you can take just about anywhere. It's fast. It's versatile. It's portable. And most of all, it's Ditch Witch. For decades, Ditch Witch has made vibratory plowing the contractor's method of choice for installing small pipe and cable. Now this proven method is installing a new product for a new generation of contractors. It's fast, it fits, it holds. Ditch Witch.